How to fix right-click content menu not disappearing on Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for control panel. And then in view by, simply click on large icons and then go to systems. After that, you'll find advanced system settings on right side of your screen. Click on it. Then go to settings. After clicking on settings, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Make sure there's no tick mark in fade out menu items after clicking. After you do that, simply click on apply and OK, and you're good to go. That's how you fix right-click content menu not disappearing in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.